Standard deviation. What is standard deviation? It is a measure of dispersion or spread of data points around the mean. It indicates the variability within the data set. To find standard deviation, first step is to find the mean. It is nothing but adding all the data points and dividing it with the number of data points. The second step is to calculate deviation. It is nothing but subtracting the data points with the mean that we found at the step 1. The third step is to find the square of each deviation. Nothing but taking up the second step and squaring it up to find the square deviation. The fourth step is to calculate variance. It is nothing but the average of squared variance. That is the third step. We have to find the average for the third step. The fifth step is standard deviation. It is done by taking square root of variance that is found in the step 4. Once all the values are calculated, we need to compare the mean and standard deviation. So here, the mean is 5.2 and the standard deviation is 1.72 approximately. So here the standard deviation is lesser than the mean. That indicates that the data set are consistent and they are lowly spread and it is highly predictable. When the standard deviation is greater than the mean, that indicates they are inconsistent, highly spread, and unpredictable. Thank you.